I'm going to surprise John and Geraldine, and hopefully I get it for a part of this vlog as well.
Fancy seeing you here.
The one we want.
This is my intake for the day. This is I'm gonna get overload of iron today.
Hey guys. So, it's my last night in England. I'm actually so sad. But I said goodbye to everyone today. I went to see Lorraine, Auntie Lorraine and Uncle Lee today, and Louise and little Jack and Liam and Emily. I went to see them, so it was so sad because Liam started crying after. It was so sad.
So, but I'm your boyfriend.
But you're my boyfriend.
I'm your boyfriend.
Are you?
Say, I'm your boyfriend.
I'm your boyfriend.
Aww.
You're my girlfriend.
You're my girlfriend.
And I love you.
And I love you.
Aww, I love you too. But I have to go.
But don't.
Long distance relationships don't work.
See, this time it will.
Tell me. Don't go about me.
I have to.
Don't.
I have to.
Don't. I said.
I have to.
Don't.
Why not?
I want to stay here.
I know, but I have to go. I have to finish the rest of my trip.
Are you?
Yeah.
Upstairs.
No, I'm going to Ireland.
Ireland.
Yeah, and then I have to go back to Australia.
You're one. Your best
So
friend.
I have to leave you.
Do you?
Yeah.
Don't.
I have to.
Don't. You're my best friend.
Oh, I love you.
Can you stay here a second?
But yeah, so I went to Bedford to go see them. We went to a carvery. It was so good. It was so good. And now I'm just packing up my room. It's messy, but it's kind of like organized in its own way. Yeah. So I'm going to say goodnight. And actually, I got the cutest Polaroid photo of me and Jess. But anyway, I'll show you that later. I've got till 11:30 to pack, so I think it's like 10 to 11 now. On Thursday night, yeah, 10 to 11 on Thursday night. It's the 3rd of July. 3rd of July. And I leave on Friday, which is tomorrow, and it's the 4th of July. So I'm going to surprise John and Geraldine, and hopefully I get it for a part of this vlog as well. So I'm very excited. Gotta go now because I've only got half an hour to pack until I go to bed, because otherwise I've only got like 3 hours until I get up in the morning, because we're getting up super early. But I'll see you in the morning. Night, guys. Bye. We've just got to John and Geraldine's house, and I'm like trying to wait here to surprise them. So I'm trying to wait for Lynn and Callum to come out to tell me it's the go ahead to go in. So yeah, I'll hopefully record it and get it right. Alright, bye. I'll see you soon.
Fancy seeing you here. How are you? Good.
Oh. Huh?
Were you expecting me?
Just
Yes.
can't believe with this. So I am.
I just got your letter, baby. It's too bad you can't come home. Well, I swear I'm going crazy, just sitting here all alone. Since you gone, I got a mess of blues.
I love the lunch.
My parents back there. Come to the Guinness factory. And it's actually so, we've just started the tour, so it's so cool. I got that, you're like...
Get lost,
You have to show that. Get that for your mother.
There. Stand still, there, stand still.
Alright, John.
Your image is now waiting for you outside
Yeah,
the house.
but we got to do one for
Get
John.
out my way, Joe.
Go.
Get out my way, Joe.
No, you need to look your head up. Yeah, there. No, move that way a bit. Yeah, that way.
I love so stupid. I'm not buying this.
No, we're not buying them, we're just looking at them.
Look,
That's literally your head.
that's it. John, no, John.
Oh, that's you. That's you.
That's
There's
it.
Damn.
I can share it online.
Where's Ron?
There's me.
Look at the dress in me, oh yeah.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Don't put that online. Don't put that online. Don't put that online.
Definitely.
Ah!
There you go.
Okay, guys, everybody okay, yeah?
Take it over, yeah?
Go, John.
Put it on this side when you finish, which one enough? Very good.
Yeah. Go, yeah?
Very good, sir. No pressure on you. Now push it back. Just leave it here. I'm cleaning for you. So, guys, I'm really proud about Nicholas.
Where's your pint? Where's your
That's
pint?
so good.
Will we go back? Where's mine?
Mine was perfect. It's a video.
No, I say you punch your full pint.
It's great.
I'm joking.
Increasing. We come to the Guinness factory. Just got our Guinnesses. Smile. It's a video. No, look at me. Look at there.
Cheers! Australia!
We got to pour our own beers, so that was so much fun. Mine tasted good until Geraldine ruined it by pouring another pint of Guinness in there. But yeah, we've had such a great day. We're about to get some food. John's getting the Guinness too. Having a great time. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so John just went and bought us like small like little glass of Guinness.
Yeah.
Look how cute they are. It's tiny compared. Adorable. Look, so it's a glass. I got my food. This is my my intake for the day. This is I'm gonna get overload of iron today.
Oh God,
And I got my certificate. I got my Guinness pouring certificate. I'm qualified for 4 pints now. Look. You have to like put this down a bit more. No, close your fingers. Like make that whole heart shape. No, yeah, no. Oh my god. Like that. Yeah, but do it with both your hands. No, close your fingers.
Close them tight together.
Close your fingers, and then make the heart shape with your fingers. Yeah, but like, woo, yeah, good job.
That's it. You're laughing at me.
This one here.
You're ruining the shot.
Oh, shut up.
Just finished at the Guinness place. It was so much fun. And now we're just walking back to the car. I'm probably gonna go for something to eat, to be honest, and get some coffee and sandwiches. Yeah, I had a really good day. It was really good. But look, highlight poppin'. I always have to get a photo of my highlight poppin', to be honest. Yeah. Wait, I didn't get the wave in. Get the wave.
Look at the lovely cobblestones. You won't get that in Aussie.
Lovely. Here, you didn't wave.
Then your horse.
Bye bye.